Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be looking back at our Numpy series, and specifically our linear algebra set. So alright, last time, well, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. We do one video at a time, and typically we build upon that video to make it bite-sized. So alright, we have been learning how to take Numpy and solve, a little foreshadowing, solve a linear algebra equation. So we put these in our matrix, and then we can get out what x is. And if you haven't seen that, you can go back and glance at it. But we use the inverse and dot functions. Well, there's a couple steps to it. We have to convert, invert, and then solve with dot to multiply. Well, guess what? Now there's even a shorter version. But I wanted you to understand how to do it before I showed you. Like we were in school, we had to learn our multiplication tables first, then we were allowed to use a calculator. So it's literally this simple. So let's bring this into memory. Import numpy as np. Okay, bring this in. Oops. Forgot to get rid of that. Another negative for copying and pasting. But we'll go ahead and bring this in. But please make sure we're subscribing, hit the notification bell. And if this is the type of video you like, go and hit that like button. I don't want you getting behind or feeling overwhelmed. That's why we make these videos so small. So alright, help on np lin algebra dot solve. Alright, so there we go. And it's literally this simple. How last time we went through, we inverted it, then we did dot, but here it's literally this simple. Let's bring this over. So print numpy dot lin algebra dot solve, and then capital A, capital B, close out the parentheses. Okay, good, you can see that. And boom. If you recall last time, this is the exact same answer we got. So it is this simple, clean, and clear. And these are the more advanced topics we're going to be using and exploring and learning about. So please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.